Hello everyone, this is an introduction video for a full C++ course that I will be uploading twice a week on this channel. The best part is that you don't have to install anything. We will be using a website called OnlineGDB to write, compile, and run our code. All you need is a browser like Brave, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. What is C++? C++ is a powerful language. It's a powerful programming language used to create all sorts of softwares, from games, applications, to operating systems and more. But don't worry if you are new to programming, we will start from the basics. Okay, to get started, open the browser of your choice and navigate to this website, OnlineGDB. You can find the link in the description. I will show you how to use this website. Today we will not run anything. We will not write our own programming language, or I'm not going to introduce any topic today. It's only showing you how to use this website. Then the next video that's coming up in 2 days, we'll go through some topics, C++ topics. Okay, if you want to save your there's two ways to save files on this website. Let's say you are working on a project and you want to have your files saved in this website that you can just log in and use it from another computer or outside the computer that you are working on now. You can sign up. If that's the case, you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook or GitHub. Then every time that you work on a project, you can just save your file that way. If you don't want to sign up, or if you don't want to have your code in the cloud for this website, then you can just download the code and save it that way. Okay, I hope that makes sense, but let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments. Okay, let's move on to the next one. On the top right here where it says language, for you will see select. So just select this arrow that's facing down and select C++, the second option here, and it will generate a hello world program that we will run today to make sure everything is working fine. Okay, in C++, you will see in the future as we go through this course, a lot of times we are including means like you are calling a library that has functions predefined or already built into C++, and this is one of them. IO stream is input output, and it is used to take an input from a user or show an output to the user. So let's see, I already ran this, but if I ran again, I will show you. Give me 1 second. This is using namespace std means that the program tells the program to use the standard C++ namespace. And I think if you look up C++ examples, you will see sometimes some programs will use this instead of including the namespace here. This is fine too, but if you want to make it easier, just use the using namespace at the top there, and you don't have to do that part. Okay, one more thing before we run this. Is the main function. In C++, everything must run inside this main function. You can have a class outside this function, you can have a function, array, anything, but it must run inside this function. Without having anything in this function, nothing will show up or nothing will work, and you will see this in the future. Okay, now cout is a function from this library, IO stream. If we didn't have this library, this will not work. Like, you will not see display. Okay, now let's run this. On the top of your screen where it says run, the green button, click on that, and you will see hello world here. And let's make this interesting. We just don't want to see hello world. So if you do my name is, then type your name, and if you do cout the weather is let's see, 51 degrees today and sunny, 51 degrees and sunny today. Okay, and if you run it again, oh nice, we get our first error. Yeah, we have to make sure we have a semicolon at the end of anything that we write. Like after you are done with it, you have to add this, or you will get this error. And don't worry, if you get errors in these small programs, it is good because it will train you or it will prepare you to get better at making sure how, like, implementing these basically. So run it again, and you see my name is your name and the weather is. So there is a way to push this to a new line, and it is called endl, like that, and line, and run it again, and now you see my name is Bookatech, the weather is 51 degrees and sunny. So I hope this helped you understand how to use this website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any issues using this website.